Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH from Trader Next 2. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us. And we can see that finally gold is trading above 4,000 level. We have discussed in a previous video also that 4,000 is going to play a crucial role, and yes, we saw that buyers really fought hard, and okay, they did a nice job, and right now market is trading above 4,000. But the danger is not over, because if we look at the economy calendar, we can see that we have a long list of events for the day. So market will be volatile, or to be precise, market will be very volatile during the US session. And obviously gold has been really volatile for the last couple of days and weeks, and today we will see some more volatility again. But to be honest, I feel that okay, the volatility that market will show today will be a temporary move, because market is waiting for the big event, which is CPI. As we all know, CPI is an event that can change the direction of the market. So today we may see some crazy volatility, okay, that may just hunt down stop losses, but the real action will be tomorrow. So be careful if you love to trade on gold. And as we all know, okay, gold is not for weak-hearted. Okay, if you have a weak heart, okay, if you do not like volatility, then please stay away, because the last 2 days, okay, gold has been really playing with her blood pressure as well. And before I begin, okay, I would like to mention one thing, that okay, in the last few days, okay, market has been very volatile. So stop losses, okay, stop losses of 50 to 60 pips are no longer working. So if you have the habit of using tight stop losses like 20-30 pips, my dear friend, those days are gone. In fact, 50-60 pips are also not working. Okay, in this situation you should use a stop loss of at least 100 pips. If it has become too risky for you, you need to reduce the lot size. One thing you need to understand, that stop loss is something that you cannot ignore. Okay, so if market is asking for a bigger stop loss because of the volatility, you need to give it. And in return, you need to reduce the lot size, so that okay, you do not gamble with your capital. Okay, so reduce the lot size and increase the stop loss because of the high volatility. And if you have a small capital like $50, $60, then okay, I will suggest you not to trade gold this time, because of the extreme volatility of the market, either you may double your capital or you may lose your capital at one shot. Okay, so be careful. And my dear friends, the registration for FastBull's Demo Trading Contest is going on, and the contest starts in, as you can see, only in 3 days. If you still have not registered, please register soon, because you can win big prizes. Already you can see more than 5,000 participants have registered, where you get a virtual fund of $100,000 to trade on gold with 400x leverage, no hidden fees and no commission. You can see the total prize pool is $9,000. So if you win on the demo trading contest, okay, the first prize will be $3,000, second prize will be $2,000, third prize is $2,000, and these are the rewards. So total reward will be $9,000. So if you have the trading skills and you do not want to risk real money, this contest is ideal for you. So feel free to join the contest. The link will be in the description. Come and challenge me, because I will be watching the leaderboard, okay, who is just flying with colors. So feel free to join the FastBull Demo Trading Contest and show your skills. So yesterday we discussed a buy around 4,000, 4,010 area, and hope you guys got a good money, because after that, okay, market went for a big upside, okay, almost $100, okay, which is more than 1,000 pips. So if you guys, okay, if you guys are still on a buy position, okay, you can hold your buy position, but it will be better for you to book partial profit, because okay, this move, okay, is something that we cannot ignore. And one thing that I would like to show you here is that okay, market is still forming lower highs here, though market is surviving above 4,000 level, but still Okay, you can see the pressure on the chart remains until and unless gold crosses 4150. Okay, the pressure will remain. Crossing 4150 means the structure of the market will change. The structure will be sideways or choppy, no longer lower highs. So if market fails to cross 4150, then yes, there is a possibility of market going below 4000 as well. So listen to me carefully now. Okay, if market crosses 4000 during the news or after news, yes, if market breaks 4000 level during the news after news, we can look for a sell below it, because to break a level like 4000 we need volume, and during the Asian session or European session I don't think so we will have that kind of volume, okay, that will be able to break this level. So it will be better for us to look for a sell only at the time of news. Before news, volume will be low. As a day trader, you can look for a buy around this particular level like 304034, 4035. Okay, how much you can expect? It depends. Okay, if you are using 100 pips stop loss, then obviously you can easily go for a 100 pips TP as well. So before news 3435, after news this will not work. After news there is a possibility of market going below 4000. Why? Because market is still forming lower highs. If market forms a higher high, okay, during the day, okay, then the possibility, okay, diminishes a bit, but otherwise there is a high chance that market will go below 4000 after the news today or tomorrow, because today is just a trailer, the real movie is tomorrow. And if gold goes up from here, the best level to sell is around 4200, 4190. 4200, yesterday also we discussed 4200 is a round number psychological level, okay, that will be playing as resistance. Moreover, if we draw FIBO, where is FIBO? Yeah, if we draw FIBO here, okay, you can see that we have uh, FIBO 50% retracement level. Okay, so and you can also see the previous support will also be acting as resistance. So 4200, okay, is going to play a crucial role to continue the upside or market to continue the bullishness. It needs to cross 4200. Okay, so 4200 is a level where we can look for a sell position, okay, as a day trader. How much you can expect? Okay, if market reverses, I think in this situation we can easily expect 150 to 200 pips. Okay. And 4200, my dear friends, okay, be careful. If market shows price rejection from above, then only go for a sell. Do not place the sell button blindly. Do not be a gambler, because already market is playing with our mind. Okay, so 4200 is the best level, I think, okay, where you can look for a sell position. We also have a level around 4242, okay, around here also, but okay, this is far away. Let's not talk about this level. If we need some immediate level, okay, then for immediate level you can also consider 4155. Okay, this one we can also look for a sell around 4155 during the day. During the US session, I don't think so it will work, because US session brings volume, and volume means minor levels do not work. So during the US session it may not work, but before US session, okay, there is a possibility that we may get some selling opportunity. Okay, now let us switch to the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, now see, we can see market is slowly going up, but observe the size of the candle. Small candles means volume is low. So in a situation like this, okay, in a situation like this, okay, if market crosses also this particular high, or the if market crosses also the previous high, it will be better for us to look for buy above 4115. Okay, at pullback means you can see the arrow here. So when market will break the level, the same level will become the new support, isn't it? Try to understand the logic, okay, so that you can use it later on also. Okay, so volume is low means buying at breakout is risky. So what we can do is, when the same resistance will become the new support around 4114, 4115, we can look for a buy at pullback. Okay, and what you can target, you can look for a target of 4150 or 4140 easily. So buying at pullback above the previous high is also a trading opportunity in front of us right now. Right now, the trend of the market is not very clear. If you're wondering what is the trend of the market, where the goal is about to move, then it is better for us to wait till CPI. After CPI, we will get a clear picture. Right now, we can just see the market is surviving above 4,000, and the actual picture will be clear tomorrow. Till then, let's see whether gold is able to survive above 4,000 or not. And you can see we have been discussing, or we are discussing right now, trading opportunities both sides of the market. Okay, because the trend of the market is not very clear, but still whatever we have discussed are on the safer side. Obviously there will be plenty of risky trading opportunities also. If you want to take, it's up to you, but whatever I discuss, okay, those are a little bit are on the safer side. Okay, and whatever you trade, use proper stop loss, because any big move may wipe your account, because gold has been on a crazy ride. Let me repeat, after the news or during the news, if market drops with high volume, we can look for a sell below 4,000 level. Before news, volume is low, we can look for buy around 34.35 if market takes support. If market goes up from here, 42004190 is the best level to sell because of many reasons that we discussed. Okay, and to continue the upside, gold needs to break 4200. But as a day trader, if market shows price rejection from above, we can look for a sell around 4200. Before that, we can also look for a sell around 4150 as well. Okay, if market goes up with low volume. 4150 minor level, not going to work at the time of news. Right now, if market crosses 4115 level, we can look for buy at pullback because of low volume. During the European session, if market shows big volume, big green candle, then you can buy at breakout. But right now, while recording the video, we don't have volume. So buying at pullback will be safer option for us. Trend of the market, not clear. Let's wait till CPI. Okay, CPI will give us a better direction. Right now, we can just see overall trend of the market may be bullish. Okay, but right now we are not sure whether we will see gold below 4,000 or not.